It is a woman's worst nightmare, buying a new dress only to stain it with a spill. But our Kate Kagarin isn't worried about that tonight because, Kate, there really is a solution to all of this.
Yes, Veronica, supposedly, and it's in Danville. And I have to tell you, spending this afternoon testing this product out, I kind of felt like Billy Mays in an overnight infomercial. But before I tell you how it works, I'll let you see it for yourself. This fabric softener is detergent company's worst nightmare.
When we saw what was happening with this, it was like, stop the presses. I've never seen anything like this.
It was a project that started nearly 14 years ago at Clorox, where Greg Van Buskirk worked as a chemist. But after a couple of years, he said Clorox pulled the plug.
Our needs out of the project weren't the same as Clorox's need, financially and so forth.
But that didn't stop Greg. After he retired, he started tinkering again and created Soft.
It's soft with an off. Pomegranate juice, oil. I knew what technologies went into detergents and in bleaches, and I knew that I'd never seen any improvement to laundry like this.
The way the product works is the fabric softener treats the clothes and adds this invisible shield. I'll show you. This is a shirt that hasn't been treated with Soft, and this one has. And we're gonna take pomegranate juice. If you notice, the stain absorbs, and on this one, it almost looks like a blob. And within seconds, you can just wipe it off. So we tested Soft more.
Oh my goodness.
We even brought our own shirts from home. And after one wash with the fabric softener, Greg says keeping clothes cleaner longer helps saves water, money on electricity, and not to mention saves money on detergent.
Laundry seems mundane, but it made a difference to them. And nothing I'd ever worked on made that sort of a difference.
Now wait, you can't buy it yet. It's still in its Kickstarter phase, but if you want to contribute, we have the link on our website. That's nightbeat.tv. Veronica.
All right, Kate, I understand you have it right here, so show us how it works.
Okay, so here's a shirt that was treated with it. I'm going to show you right now, and I have iced tea, and it's just going to watch. It just drips down. It doesn't even absorb inside the shirt. It's just falling, unfortunately, all over the anchor desk. So we'll clean that up a little bit later.
You should have used wine, red wine or something. I can barely see that.
Yeah, well, we'll break that out later.
Okay, perfect. Kate, thank you.